Good morning. My name is Dr. John Huang. I have here Sam. He's been coming to us for a automobile accident and for neck and lower back and leg pain. And I'll let him talk about how he's experienced so far. Go ahead.
Hello, my name is Samuel Serrano. I've been visiting Dr. Huang's and his team office, and the therapy has been doing well. I had a car accident. Somebody rear-ended going around 60 miles per hour. I was going like 5 miles per hour, and so after that, I was so tight I couldn't even touch my toes. I mean, I couldn't even lay down straight. I mean, I had to kind of sleep sitting up, and it was so bad. It was hurting. I had headaches. I had a backache. I mean, my arm was hurting. I couldn't lift up my arm. And I've been coming to him. He's been doing a great job. He's been helping me to the process of therapy and adjustment, and it's been helping me. Now I'm able to go out there and coach my kids again soccer and help them learn what I've been doing for life.
Okay, now we're going to transition to the chiropractic adjustment. I'm going to demonstrate how we adjust. Sam here. Lay face down for me, please. I'm going to come around this table and demonstrate. The first thing we like to do is adjust the neck. And we have a drop-in technique that we use in the office. We use the hand and table adjustment. And first of all, it's palpation. Find the right bone and put the spine back in the right direction, creating the cervical curve, which is the neck curve that people typically lose as they get older. And we adjust the upper back and using raise exact same method as the palpation. Feel the misalignment of spine and adjust and put the spine back in proper alignment. We will also use hand adjustment in the next process. Right now is palpation and feeling the spine. Right now it's doing good here. So I'm going to check his leg now to see his legs even or not in certain position. And when I find some position that's tight, I'm going to adjust his low pelvic area. I'm going to use this table again to use a drop-in table technique to get the spine to do what I wanted it to do. And there are a few steps that I do to balance the hip out. And challenge the muscle again to see in the leg blink again to see how the alignment is, and double check, reconfirm my adjustment. That's really nice. Better range of motion already here, so I'm transition to his lower back adjustment. So, Samuel, can you take a deep breath in? Just hold it. Just hold it. Breathe out. Good. Just upper back now. Good. I'm going to transition to the other side. Good. Can you lay on your side for me, Sam? Perfect. Excellent. Good. Breathe in. Breathe out. Good. Other side for me. Awesome. Breathe in. Breathe out. Good. And back face up. So I like to get the extremity. We're going to do some wrist, ankle, hip, elbow, and hand too. Demonstrate the adjustment for that. Awesome there. I'll come around the corner and get the other side. Awesome. That's it. He loves the adjustment. I know he's now going to demonstrate some ankle adjustment too. People see. Good. I'll demonstrate a knee adjustment so people see that too. Awesome here. And the knee here. Good. We're going to demonstrate a pelvic adjustment, hip adjustment. Awesome there. Awesome, yeah. Whew, that's a great one. I like that. Now, I like to demonstrate the wide strap.
What is the wide strap?
It's like a quick decompression of the spine, and helps to separate the spinal irritation down the spine. Just put the vertebrae back in proper alignment. We're gonna do a distraction now and do the traction first. And distraction. It's a nice relaxing distraction. A nice rest like that. And he feels wonderful from there. Put the spine back in proper alignment there. Now adjust his neck. Awesome, just like a little bit. Awesome there. Awesome there. Awesome there. And give him the listen better, hear better. There you go. Coming up. What, tell the world how you feel after the adjustment.
After the adjustment, I started feeling more loose and more flexible and capable to move around more and twist around more and not feel so tight and not have pain when I was moving around. Now it feels great.
Well, we thank you for coming and tell the world how we can help you improve your quality of life. Okay, thank you.